Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of our exciting journey. If you haven't seen part 1, make sure to check out the unboxing. Now it is time to connect everything. I had to pick up a connector separately, as it didn't come included, but that's no problem. It's crucial for testing the camera before the full setup. This camera is packed with features and settings, and I love that it has a built-in fan, which keeps it cool even when it's not on a drone. I also got an adjustment camera holder mount that fits perfectly with the camera. Next, I needed to manage the wiring, which is essential. Finding the right location to mount the camera was key. I wanted a position that provided a wide angle. I found the perfect spot, and I'm confident that before even testing it, this location would work well. After setting it up, it was clear the camera held perfectly. Wire management was a priority, as the cables were running everywhere. Once I mounted everything, I made sure to hide the wires neatly. I also took care of the VTX wires, even working around the longer cables. The microphone I set up didn't work out, so I set it aside, but the final result is impressive. The fit is just right. It seems tailor-made for this position. My wire management was on point. Everything was hidden from view. You'd need to look underneath the car or open the body to spot any wires. The positive and negative connections run from the VTX through the center of the car, and I'm using 2 batteries, one for the VTX and another for the rccar. The upper battery is dedicated to the VTX, and I ensured there were no wires that could tangle around the gears. Now for the exciting part, testing. I just peeled off the protective wrap and it was go time. What I discovered during the day blew me away. The car is incredibly accurate. I could easily navigate around metals, wires and rods. As I pushed the speed, I felt confident in its handling. There was 0 vibration and it performed flawlessly on both concrete and tarmac. When night fell, the video quality was stunning. This camera truly shines in low light, and the performance was exceptional. I'm thrilled with this setup, and I can't wait to put it to the test more. Thanks for tuning in. Don't miss our upcoming video about fixing leaking shocks. If you're dealing with that issue, subscribe now. I'll upload it next week, God willing. This experience has been incredible, especially at night. I'm considering investing in FPV goggles next. Initially, I was worried about vibration causing motion sickness, but with the way this setup is performing, I'm excited to do more testing. I can't wait for the HD experience. Thanks for watching, and please hit that subscribe button.